All right, let's talk about how to use glyphs in the type tool. So we're going to continue on with this paragraph here. Move to a different line. Glyphs are characters that don't come in the standard English character set. So, anything outside of regular old I's, J's, K's, such as characters from other languages, will be found in the glyphs menu or glyphs palette. You can, if that palette is not open, and actually I would be surprised if it did open automatically. You'll need to go down to type in your Windows menu. So Windows, type, glyphs, and you'll check that to make sure it shows. And so if you want to spell a Spanish name properly, like Jose, so we can kind of scan through the glyphs. And then they go sort of from like most common at the top to less common at the bottom. So I think an A with an accent over it is easy to find. We just double click it. Jose Ramon. I think it's like that, right? So there we go. Also, if you wanted to do Germanic characters, like I'm a big Motorhead fan. Motorhead is a band from England, but despite that, they have, I think it's called an umlaut, 2 dots over one of the O's, or maybe it's over both of the O's. I don't really know. There we go. And then you have a variety of other mathematical symbols. Sorry for the lagging computer. I don't know what's going on right now. Started downloading or updating or something that I did not give it permission to do. Let's just put 4, because I thought I saw an eternity symbol over here somewhere. Where did it go? For eternity. Friday. Which actually I think it must have been yesterday because a bunch of my geekier friends put that on their social media. So, or maybe recently. Anyway, those are glyphs. Oh, you know what? And also, you can manipulate the color and the stroke of characters. So let's zoom in and say we don't want black. What if we wanted it to be green? Well, there we go. As soon as it's not highlighted anymore, we should be able to see that it's green. There we go. And also, we can give a character, or sorry, letters. So there we go. This is uncommon, just so you know. People don't typically, give like a stroke to a character unless there's a specific reason, because it can kind of get ugly. Let's just bring it up to a 3-pixel stroke, and you can already see that it looks pretty terrible, right? So it's not a common practice to use that extensively, but there are designs where you need a stroke around your character, so it's an option. All right, on to more options with our text tool.